Hello, this is Alex from Swoosh English. Is there negative marking in Oet 2.0 listening? Do they take marks away if you answer a question and it's the incorrect answer? This is part of kind of the penalized system that a lot of doctors and nurses ask me about. So they think, if I answer this question and it's wrong, will I get marks taken away from me? Will it be deducted from the correct answers I've given in other questions? And the answer to that question is absolutely not. And that's why it leads into the next bit of what I'm about to say, is that even if you don't know 100% whether the answer that you're selecting or providing is correct or incorrect, you should absolutely go for it, okay? So for part A, you should definitely complete all of the gaps, even if you're not 100% sure, even if you might have listened to something, but you also listened to something else and you're not sure which is 100% correct, but you decide to go for this answer. So if you think that's what you heard, then complete the gaps with kind of your gut feeling, okay? What was your gut feeling to that? Was if that's what you heard, then absolutely complete that gap. And then for B and C, of the 3 multiple choice answers that you're provided with, of course, select one of them. Don't just go through the questions and you're not 100% sure and you leave it blank, okay? And also you can accidentally go through the questions and you're not 100% sure what the answer is, and you make a mental note, okay, I'll go back to question 4 later after I've completed the others. And some people forget to go back, and they tell me this after the examination. They forgot to go back to that question 4 and actually select a correct answer, because remember, you only listen to the transcripts once, so they might have forgotten what the information was. And that's why I always say is, even if you're not sure, because you don't 100% remember what was said before, just put an answer there anyway, or make a little note in terms of what the information was that you listened to, and just go for an educated guess, because like I said, you will not have marks taken away. You can only gain from this situation. You will not lose. So please answer all the questions. Give yourself a little bit of time at the end to just quickly go back and try to remember, try to go through the answers and make sure they were definitely the ones that you provided. But in a lot of cases, you might not remember what the information was that you listened to in the transcripts for part A, B, and C. So yes, go and attempt every single question. Don't leave anything blank for A, B, and C, because you will not have marks taken away from you. You can only gain from this. So hopefully this video was helpful to you today. Make sure you go to swooshenglish.com for more free OET materials. And if you have any questions about today's quick listening 2.0 tip, then let me know in the comment section below.